to make herbal shampoo for hair growth at home. Recipe number 1. DIY Shikakai, Aretha and Amla Shampoo. Soak Shikakai, Aretha and Amla in water overnight. Heat the ingredients till they start to boil, reduce the flame and let them boil for 10 minutes. Remove from the heat, cover and let it cool. When it comes to the room temperature, crush the Aretha, Shikakai, and Amla peels with your hand and strain before use. DIY Shikakai, Aretha and Amla shampoo is ready. Recipe number 2. DIY Rice Water Shampoo. Take a cup of rice and wash it under running water. Make sure you don't wash it for too long as it can make the rice lose all its nutrients. In a bowl, add washed rice and clean water. Soak for an hour. Strain the rice water and add 4 to 5 soap nuts to the bowl. Keep it for 3 to 4 hours. Soon, you will see the mixture turn soapy. Rice water shampoo is ready. Homemade shampoos might not sound exciting, but when they will give same results as expensive shampoos, and that too without making a hole in your pocket or ruining your mane with harmful chemicals, we know you would thank us for this. These homemade shampoos are both cost-effective and super friendly for your hair and scalp. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.